Good morning. My name's Keith Flynn. I'm the Tulsa Father's Rights lawyer. I'm doing a brief video today on the changes to the protective order filing process at this point in response to COVID-19. There have been several orders which will be discussed through a few of my videos going forward regarding COVID-19 response. One in particular involves protective orders, and the filing process has changed substantially. Because of the limited amount of employees in the Family Safety Center at this time, the process is effectively very law enforcement driven at this point. The first step would be that a victim of some form of violence under the statute occurs. This meets the same standards for a protective order that we've discussed in prior videos. And if the police officer believes that this meets that statutory guideline, the police officer will help the victim of the crime to complete a petition for the protective order if they so desire it, and then to actually call it in. The police officer would actually call it in to the judge. This is obviously a lot different than when, generally speaking, victims of such crime did have resources at the basement of the police department in the form of the Family Safety Center and attorneys who would be willing to assist people in filing their own petitions. At this point, it's on the scene and it is being done by police officers. And obviously the intention is to reduce congregation at the Family Safety Center in the basement downtown. What this also means is that you have an untrained, not a lawyer, assisting these people in filing for these protective orders. So, if a protective order is filed against you during this time, it hasn't been vetted by an attorney in the same way that it would have been prior to. So you might want to contact a lawyer to discuss the validity of the protective order in any event, whether it was before or after this change in policy. But if it was after this change in policy, there may be more mistakes based on a lack of expertise. Not that police officers aren't capable and great members of our community that protect us all. So, thanks again for your time. My name's Keith Flynn. I'm the Tulsa Father's Rights lawyer. If you have any questions about a protective order, just give me a call. I'm happy to answer your questions. If I can't help you, I know a lot of lawyers that can. Thank you.